My name is Evan Francine, and I'm the founder and current CEO of Security Studio. Security Studio is an organization really devoted to a mission. The history of Security Studio actually started well before Security Studio, right? It started with FR Secure and it grew out of that. We're devoted to helping people practice really good information security principles for their benefit, not just because everybody else is doing it.
One of the things I really like about Security Studio is that we have a very holistic approach to how we deal with information security. And so the Academy, or the CvCISO program, was really designed to help bring some consistency, standardization to how vCISOs function to help us fix the broken industry.
My name is Glenn Legas, and I am on the advisory board for the CvCISO program, and I am currently teaching some of the classes. You know, it's a fully developed online program where they have all the materials there for you to access on demand if you need to. They also have the live classes where you can ask questions, as well as the community online.
It's really a great learning tool and a great jumping point for, especially if you don't have any experience even in the CvCISO world or a vCISO world. A lot of good tips and tricks, you know.
You need help from peers, whether it's to hold yourself accountable to your goals or to doing things right. You're not an expert at everything, so having a community of people that you trust that believe in the same things, you know, they've been through the course, it just amplifies it exponentially. I mean, you can't do anything without a community helping you.
In the Academy, where it really can help, and where I think it's different than a lot of the other trainings out there is again, it kind of falls back on the community, but you're in a virtual classroom essentially with 20, 30, 40 other individuals, like-minded individuals that are in the career field of a vCISO or are pursuing that career field as well.
And I kept staying involved because it really did help me talk to my executives. It's just amazing how you get a little bit of training and a little understanding from the business world and the security world, and now I can talk to them about pretty much anything.
You know, creating the curriculum I wanted to take everything I knew about what I did right about vCISO work and train other people on it. One, it gives them too the trust and the credibility, right? It's why it's really important for us to train people the right way. We can't deviate, we can't take shortcuts. That's why the class, you know, the CvCISO 1 class, the foundations course, it's 60 hours, right? It's 32-hour classes with a whole bunch of homework. It had to be designed that way because we couldn't cut corners.
The main things I think to know about the CvCISO program are it's very, very rare to find a product or a training that is good for the novice and the expert. And I truly believe that this is that.